All right, you guys read the thumbnail and the title right, man. We got that 2023 early pack that just touched down. I can't wait to break them out and see what they hit for. Me, give you guys my initial reaction for some 2023 upcoming Jordan Heat. Let's go ahead and get into today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning into yet another video. Like I said in the intro, 2023 we're going crazy, and I'm not the one for like New Year's resolutions or anything like that. We're gonna start going at it as soon as I put it in my mind. As soon as I set my mind to it, we're gonna attack it. And like I said, we're gonna be touching a lot of sneakers early just for the vintage squad. We're gonna grind it out to that 100K. We're gonna keep elevating together, man. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, hit that subscribe button for your boy, hit the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any content that we got. A lot of different topics that we're gonna be covering on the channel. You guys already know how we rocking. So like I said, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you're new to the channel. Like I said in the last couple of videos, I'm selling a lot of sneakers out of my collection, so you guys can go tap in right now down below at the vintage_closet and go purchase a lot of these sneakers for some steals. I ain't hit nobody over the head. A lot of stuff is going for under retail or right at retail, so go ahead and take advantage, man. And then last but not least, leave a huge like on today's video. We're trying to get this up to 500 likes. We got an early pack, so we got to keep them likes coming, them comments rolling, and yeah, like I said, more early heat coming. All right, man, shouts out to BYRD KICKZ. If you guys don't know who BYRD KICKZ is, that's the person I got the Air Jordan 11 cherries from like 3-4 months early. Super legit, 100% authentic sneakers. And if you guys ever want to touch anything early as well, man, BYRD KICKZ, I will link him down below. Go shop with him if you want to get your stuff way early for everybody else. And then you're going to almost forget about the sneaker on release day because you already got it, man. So let's go ahead and tap into it. Shouts out to BYRD KICKZ, man, with this super fast shipping. Got this thing in one day, literally less than 24 hours. I got the shoe didn't touch down. So I was like, bro, that was crazy, man. So like I said, man, I appreciate Brody for plugging me in with the early heat. So let's go ahead and tap into it. We ain't gonna do too much talking, bro. We gonna get straight to it. We gonna let the sneakers do the talking. And look at them, bro. Y'all should already know what it is when you see this box. Y'all should know what it is when you see that box right there, man. The box is super nice, man. Got the A Ma Maniere all over, as you guys can see. And then yeah, let's go ahead and check out the official colorway right here, as you guys can see on this side of the box. So A Ma Maniere women's Air Jordan 12 Retro SP, white, black, burgundy crushed. And I got these in a size 11 in women, which is a size 9.5 in men, if you don't know your size conversion. Quick little math, add 1.5, that's gonna be your woman's size. So go ahead and slide these things out. Almost dropped the shoe. Almost dropped the shoe. We got too much heat in here, bro. Too much heat in the box, bro. Let's go ahead and peel them out. Hold on. So, just like the Air Jordan 4 A Ma Maniere, you have Jordan back here. I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll. But this is Jordan when he played in the flu game when he was sick, had food poisoning or whatever with his Air Jordan 12s on. So, let's go ahead and peel them out and check them out together, man. So, let's get into them. And bam, man. Check them out. We have the Air Jordan 12 A Ma Maniere, bro. We not playing the same no more, bro. We are not playing the same, man. And I almost hesitated saying I don't know if I'm gonna like them, but bruh, when you see these in hand, when y'all see these B-roll shots of these joints, think twice about even saying you're gonna pass on them, because bruh, that velvety suede on the side is look at the brush strokes. Oh my, yo, these is tough, man. You get that same suede material on the inside of the sneaker as well, and then that burgundy crush is hidden, bruh. So let's pull them both out, see if come with any extra laces or anything like that. Close the box up. These tough. I ain't gonna cap with y'all, bro. I ain't even gonna cap. You also get a hang tag as well, just like you got on pretty much all the other A Ma Manieres. I got the 1s, we got the 2s, and we have the 4s back there. The only pair that I'm missing is the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Manieres. The price is going crazy for them, so that's gonna be something I gotta give myself next Christmas. You feel me? I already bought my Christmas shoe. Gotta budget your money, right? You know what I'm saying? And but this one right here, I cannot pass up on an opportunity to show y'all these things early, because look at the hits. Look at the hits all around the sneaker. And like I said, that's suede, bruh. This is different quality. This is top tier. And I've been saying that about every single Air Jordan A Ma Maniere I've been purchasing. Starting off with the 1s, the 2s, and of course the 4s. They ended it well. And then they following up with a 12, bro. Like, these things is super dope. You get that same quilted material on the inner too. So they're keeping that quality the same. And if anything, they're going up beyond the measures, because they have a lot of different hits on these, including that suede mudguard right here. That feels very good, very exotic. And like I've been saying from the get-go, A Ma Maniere have been killing it with the collabs they've been doing with Jordan Brand. You guys can check out that tag right there, A Ma Maniere, and I think it's bordered off with the same burgundy crush colorway. If not, it might be brown. But I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll of that so you can check it out and see what these things is hitting for. A Ma Maniere logo on the tongue. They've been pretty consistent with adding some type of A Ma Maniere logo on the tongue. Like I said with the fours, man, I think it would have been super crazy if they would have threw the A Ma Maniere logo on the back of the fours. That's just me. You guys let me know what you think about that. So these joints didn't come with any extra laces. You guys can see here goes the right shoe. I haven't been giving this one any love like that, but I gotta show you guys the right shoe with that nice quality on the outer and on the inner. These guys, man, I'm telling y'all, these things is nice. And something I just peeped on the lacing system right here, you get that A Ma Maniere logo as well, man. So yeah, man, they throwing a little different hits on there. They throwing on the lacing system right here, and on the back of the right shoe you get A Ma Maniere as well, bro. So these things is tough, bro. Check them out. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever, and of course by A Ma Maniere, because they've been killing it. They've been up in the bar as far as quality on every single album here they've been dropping. So I'm loving what they're doing, and it's super dope to have them in hand right now, because I'm not gonna lie, these things is dope. You guys know I had to do it. I had to pull them out and show them. You have the Air Jordan 4 A Ma Manieres right here, and you have the 12s. Which one you guys rocking out with more? I know it's a lot of Air Jordan 12 fans out there. I feel like it's more Air Jordan 4 fans than Air Jordan 12s, just because those OG colorways is something that everybody pursues. But when you throw collabs in there like OVO did, A Ma Maniere's doing, I think they up in the bar, and I think it's, you know what I'm saying, a little bit more up for debate of which one is better in my opinion. So you guys rocking out with the A Ma Maniere 4s. Check them out. You got the violet oral all over. And then you have the Air Jordan 12 A Ma Maniere with the burgundy crush all around them. These things is nice. I'm telling y'all, way better in hand. So you guys let me know how you rocking out with the Air Jordan 12 A Ma Manieres. There is a black pair slated to come out as well, and I think this is scheduled to release sometime in March. So we like 3 months early with these guys right here. It's gonna be a lot more early looks on the channel, so stay tuned for all that by hitting the notification bell and smacking the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I'm telling y'all, we're going crazy in 2023. 100K on the way, baby. Like I said, I'm gonna be sure to add a bunch of different B-roll shots of the A Ma Maniere 12s throughout this video, so you guys can get a better look at these guys, because I'm telling you guys, A Ma Maniere is up in the quality on every single collab they're doing with Jordan, man. I gotta take my hats off to him for that. I appreciate everybody for tapping in, watching another video from your boy The Vintage. Make sure you subscribe, like I said, if you're new. More early content coming. I know y'all want to see this stuff early, so you guys check out how you like the sneaker, if you're gonna be passing it, grabbing it, all that good stuff. You guys can drop all those comments down below in the comment section so I can see how y'all feeling the Air Jordan 12 A Ma Manieres. Leave a huge like before you slide out today's video. Go follow all my social media links down below in the description box as well. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.